Alright, what's up guys? TeaspoonMiner here with another teaspoon of information for you. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this new smart Thermo Hygrometer that I got on Amazon. It was about $12, I think, and it is Bluetooth enabled and is also app enabled. So there's an app that can pair with it and allows you to see historic information of the minimum and maximum temperatures as well as humidity. So let's take a look. This is the Smart Thermo Hygrometer model H5075, two AAA batteries. I can open these one-handed. Alright, hold on. Alright. And there we are. A little kickstand. Another audience member. Hey, Sunny. So it's got continuous reading maximum temperature and minimum temperature that constantly updates, as well as maximum and minimum temperatures for the humidity. So pretty basic, but also very useful. So, yeah. So this is, again, the Govee H5075 Smart Thermo Hygrometer. Let's take a look at the Govee Home app. Alright, let's take a look here. So we're going to go into the Govee Home app. I've got the hygrometer turned on. So let's tap the plus, home improvement. And then this is the 5075. There it is. Yep, there it is. Bound successfully. And there we are. And you can't see this, but on the screen of the device it says 79.6 Fahrenheit, 39% humidity. You can switch over to Celsius, back to Fahrenheit, and then you've got time scales, the day, week, month, and year, and then pull down to refresh. Go into settings, you can adjust the name, set alarms and alerts. So there's your calibration, 79.6, 34%, that's the real time, as well as your firmware version. And then you can click here to access support. So pretty handy little application and pretty handy little device. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.